This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make time mobile. First, let's define what it means to have mobile time. It's about creating flexibility in your schedule so you aren't tied to a single location or rigid hours. We'll explore strategies to free up your day, allowing you to work or engage in activities from almost anywhere. This approach helps you maximize productivity and personal freedom, making your time truly your own. Get ready to transform your daily routine. To truly make your time mobile, leveraging the right tools is essential. Cloud services, like document sharing platforms, mean your files are always accessible, whether you're at home or traveling. Communication apps keep you connected with colleagues and clients, ensuring seamless collaboration regardless of physical distance. And project management software provides a clear overview of your tasks, helping you stay organized and on track, even when you're on the go. These tools are game changers for flexibility. Embracing time mobility offers fantastic benefits, like greater personal freedom and a much improved work-life balance. Imagine tackling tasks when you're most focused, whether that's early morning or late evening. However, be mindful of common pitfalls. It's easy to overschedule yourself or forget to take essential breaks. Remember, flexibility doesn't mean working all the time. It means working smarter. Prioritize self-care to maintain your energy and enthusiasm for this dynamic lifestyle. For advanced time mobility, consider implementing deep work blocks. These are dedicated periods for focused tasks, free from distractions, significantly boosting your output. Regularly review and refine your strategy. What works today might need tweaking tomorrow. And speaking of making the most of your time, if you love to learn or unwind with a good book, check out the link in the description for the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. Keep experimenting to find your perfect rhythm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.